Every year, millions of learners join massive online open courses, MOOCs, to build new skills, explore interesting topics, and expand their horizons. Esri MOOCs teach GIS concepts and the latest advancements in the ArcGIS platform. In a MOOC, you learn whenever it's convenient for you. Courses are open day and night. About 2 hours of study time is required each week. Lessons include video lectures by Esri subject matter experts. And students get free access to ArcGIS software to complete step-by-step exercises. Exercises explore interesting scenarios while teaching skills to create maps, visualize data, find patterns and relationships, apply analysis tools to turn data into information, and share results in easy-to-use apps. MOOC discussion forums connect learners from all over the world. You can ask questions, share ideas, and learn from one another. After completing all the lessons, you earn a certificate. Join a MOOC to build skills that employers value. Join a MOOC to understand how ArcGIS helps organizations solve problems, gain insight, and make a positive impact. Most of all, join a MOOC to have fun.